Hello, dear learners. We often feel very confused when we uh, use the sentence in its practical way. And in practical way, many errors or many shortcomings tend to be comes out from the practice. And the practice is all depend on the grammatical concord, and if the grammatical concord is not understood properly or is not practiced properly, then the sentence may lead to what we call error of proximity or the grammatical error. And one thing is also need to be mentioned here, that misuse of subject verb agreement or misunderstanding of subject verb agreement is the root cause in occurring errors in sentence or the error of proximity in the usage of sentence in real perspective. So we need to learn very seriously and with utmost importance, utmost care about the subject verb agreement. Yes, dear learners, the subject verb agreement related with tense, with grammatical concord, with sentence structure, and all the things that may lead to make the sentence meaningful and grammatically correct. We can say that subject verb agreement is like the wheels of a vehicle. If not properly aligned, it may occur mechanical problem. So in this lecture video, I will define you, or I will describe in details about the rest parts of the subject verb agreement, barring the earlier video lectures content. In our earlier lecture, in part 1 from the pronouns, we had discussed about the pronouns classification and its uses in the sentence. Now most of the error occurs from the pronouns, specifically if we consider it, because pronouns are the most confusing words that are used in sentence, and if not used properly with the alignment of the entire sentence, that it may lead to occurrence of error. So in this video, I will give you rules wise subject verb agreement about pronouns. Here the rule 1 I would like to write here. Rule 1: if the if every each the pronoun, distributive pronoun, you know distributive pronouns like every, each, all, if they are used in a sentence, uh, uh, they are considered as a singular, you know singular. So man every man every man has his every man has his knowledge. Everyone has his knowledge or instinct. So his, because every man has is used and his is used, because every is is taken as a singular pronoun. Rule 2. Rule 2. If in the same distributive pronoun, two nouns are joined by and and the nouns with every or each or all, then the sentence will be taken as singular. So every soldier and every soldier and every sailor, every soldier and every sailor is on the queue, on the queue. So this is what every if even if it is joined by and, it apparently mean that the sentence is plural, but as before the noun every distributive pronoun is preceded, therefore it is taken as what? Singular in sense. Okay. Rule 3. Two or more singular pronouns are joined by either or neither nor, then the pronoun will be considered as singular. Either Ram or Rohim has found my pen. So has is used. So either Ram or Rohim. So these Ram or Rohim either is used. This is why it is taken as singular sense. Rule 4. But if a singular and a plural noun or pronoun are joined by and, then singular and plural pronoun by joined by and not and, either or neither nor, then it will be taken as plural. Neither the manager nor the assistants are present. So R is used here because why? Because the manager is singular but the assistants is plural. So here both the singular and plural form is used, and therefore the sentence is taken as plural. So today, these 4 rules are from this lecture, and the rest of the rules will be learned in our next video. So thank you.